Aikari a Meru ni magunikite na utungata utari wa marihi kuria makoretwo magithurimwo mirimu itiganite kwa ihinda ria thiku 2. Utungata uyu ugikinyanirio ni unyitaniri wa thibitari ya Aga Khan, Jubilee Insurance na Solution Sacco, kuona kaunti ya Meru ni imwe ya kaunti iria itongoretie hari mirimu iria yumanaga na mirire na miikarire miuru hamwe na mirimu ingi iria itari ya kugwatanio. Utungata uyu utari na marihi wambiriirie Jumamothi ya kiumia kihituku. Murugamiriri wa wendia wa University ya thibitari ya Aga Khan, Pauline Ngatia, akiuga mirimu ino ni ikoretwo igumiire andu aingi icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi.
One of the things that we are doing that you will not find in many places is the breast cancer clinical exams. So when you look at the medical, the truck, the mobile clinic, that is where we are doing those tests. And unfortunately, we have already picked some people with abnormalities in their breasts, and they have been referred for further treatment.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Jubilee Insurance, Jerry Njomo, akiuga ni undu wa kieha kuona imwe ya mirimu ino itheremaga ni gukorwo andu aingi mamathaga urigitiriria marwara handu ha guthurimagwo mahinda kwa mahinda.
Haya mambo ya lifestyle diseases iko kila mahali, na ndio tunahimiza wananchi tuende mapema, tuangaliwe mapema, tujue haya mambo juu ya afya zetu mapema, tusingoje mpaka haya mambo yazidi ndio tuhitaji dawa. Tukiangaliwa mapema tunaweza dhibiti haya mambo mapema, na ndio maana tunahimiza kila mtu toka kuja uangaliwe. Tunakutibu bure, pia madawa tumeambiwa na Aga Khan ni dawa za bure.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Solution Sacco, Esther Ebuthania, akiuga mokite hamwe niguo gutigirira muingi ni wateithika.
We offer affordable health insurance cover to our members who will benefit from unlimited annual primary health care through an extensive network of service providers across the country.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.